How to fix Duo mobile app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that your Duo mobile app is updated. Head over to your Play Store and search for Duo. If you see Update instead of Open, then you have to tap on Update and update your app. Once you have done that, let's go ahead and open up our settings. Here, scroll below onto Apps and search for Duo. Tap on Duo Mobile. Here, come on to Usage and tap on Storage. Clear the cache. Also clear the data, but make sure that you remember all of your password. Tap on Delete. Now come back, and here you will see Force Stop. Tap onto it, then tap on OK. And once you have done all that, if it's still not working, then you have to uninstall this app. Tap on Uninstall, tap on OK, and reinstall it again. That will definitely fix your problem once you enter all your credentials correctly. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.